Aspen clearance, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, IFR Centennial, ready, copy.
Check.
Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, Aspen. Clearance clear to Centennial Airport, LINDZ9 departure to LINDZ. Direct JNet then as filed. Maintain 16,000, expect 17,000, 10 minutes after departure. Squawk 5130.
Okay, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, clear to Centennial via the LINDZ9, LINDZ, JNet, then as filed. Climb maintain 16,000, 17,000, 10 minutes after, and squawk 5130.
Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, ready back track.
Thank you. Alright everybody, welcome aboard. I'm in Aspen today in a brand new G6 SR22 Turbo. As you can see the thumbnail, it's a very green aircraft. I want to show you how to fly the LINDZ9 departure out of Aspen IMC and also with complete automation. I'm in the Perspective Plus, so right now I'm lining up the LINDZ9 departure off a 3-3 red table transition. And then I'm going to go to JNet, Murphy, and then I'm going to go to Centennial, that's my destination. And I'm going to load, I don't know the runway yet, so I'm just going to load up the arrival, which is LINDZ9 arrival. I'm going to choose a random one here, and then I'll clean it up here in a second for the transition. I'm going to take out red table because that's not part of our route. So JNet, Murphy, don't need that one, Taro, there. So there we go, Murphy, Larks, and then the LINDZ9 arrival into Centennial. Cool, so that's all set up in a shop to 16,000 feet. Okay, squawk 5130. Cool. Alright, that's set up just fine. I'm going to head over to ATIS.
Direction traffic, expect to pass in close proximity.
Back over to ground. Cool, that's all set there.
Able. Advise on initial contact you of hotel.
Alright, information hotel.
At
I still had that from when we
hotel
came in, so I remember that. Aspen ground, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha Atlantic with hotel ready, taxi IFR.
Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, Aspen. Ground runway 33, taxi V Alpha.
33 V Alpha, Sirius 5 Tango Alpha. A bit of a tight area. Got wing walkers. And we're on our way. Client just dropped off my a client with his son and his mom. They have a place up here in Aspen. They're staying for the weekend or for a little while or something like that. So I'm just headed back to Denver alone. The reason why I wanted to show you the Aspen departure, one is because it's the Aspen departure, but two, it's also really cool in the Cirrus how, because of how heavily automated this plane is, I can have the airplane fly the entire departure procedure hands off. So basically all I have to do is, take off, pull the flaps up, get to a safe altitude, engage the autopilot, and it does the rest. We just flew in the localizer echo approach here in Aspen, and in my opinion, it's probably one of the most difficult, if not the most difficult instrument approach in the mountains here in Colorado, simply because of where the airport's situated, and also the approach is really steep. It's a 6.6 degree glide slope or something like that, or a gradient down. So it's a pretty steep approach, and then we had a little bit of IMC coming in, so that was a little fun treat. Cool, so I'm all set to go. I'm going to give Tower a call, let them know we're ready to go. Aspen Tower, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, hold short 33, ready in sequence.
Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, Aspen Tower, wind 330 at 5, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
For runway 33, clear for takeoff, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha. Alright, get our engine page up, everything's good to go. No opposite direction traffic at me today, just a normal takeoff. Myself line up on the center line, nose going straight, and away we go. Alright, gauges are in the green, airspeed's alive. It's 110% power. And rotate. Alright, flaps up through 90. My toggle button switch here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit nav, autopilot, flight level change for the current. Oh, I don't need to bug my altitude first. That would help. Cool, and now it's flying a course departure here, so you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera there. We hit 8240, CAPS is active now. Now it's doing its right hand turn. Cool, and then once we hit 9,100, I'm going to get another GPS, or I'm sorry, a heading leg to, it's going to join basically the back course there. And then it'll turn off there towards LINDZ. So it's pretty sweet, it's pretty slick, it can do it on its own. So when you're high stress environments like the mountains and departing out of a really busy airport, sometimes out of Aspen, it's nice to have some automated features on this plane. Cool, so there's the heading leg switch there again. See our left, so this is where they would pass a normal airplane, or if they're going opposite direction, they pass on us right now during this turn. It's kind of neat to see that when you.
Zero Soft Tango Alpha, contact departure 123.8. Good day.
23.8. Good day. 5 Tango Alpha. See off the left there, there's snow mass hiding underneath the clouds. You can see Aspen Highlands way off to the left there. Buttermilk. Aspen departure, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, climb 310 for 16.
November 315 Tango Alpha, Aspen departure, radar contact, climb maintain 17,000. November 5 Tango Alpha, turn right direct JNet.
Right direct JNet, Sirius 5 Tango Alpha.
125 Aspen approach, turn left heading 330, vector approach.
Cool, so he took us off the departure procedure.
Left heading 330, vector approach, follow.
Sounds like there's another airplane coming in, so he wants to get me out of the way before they come in. Gorgeous day. Look through some clouds here. -9C, so keep an eye on the wings for icing, but I don't think we'll get anything.
125, are you looking for a
clouds are pretty thin.
practice approach or just straight in?
Cool, there's 30.5 and 16.8. 1560 on the TIT. That looks cool.
61, request switch Eagle Tower.
And we're cruising along. Back to Denver in 36 minutes. Going 204 over the ground.
7315 Tango Alpha, contact Denver Center 119.85, good day.
1985, good day, 5 Tango Alpha. Flow Center, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha at 17,000.
315 Tango Alpha, Denver Center, clear direct Larks, Denver altimeter 3015.
Clear direct Larks, 3015, 5 Tango Alpha. Alright, I'm going to go flight plan direct to Larks. A little bit of a shortcut. Okay, so as I'm cruising here along, just got cleared direct to Larks for the Larks 9 arrival into Centennial. I just want to share some news with y'all. As of last month, I got hired by SkyWest Airlines last November when interviewed here in Denver. And start January 31st from my class date, I'll be heading over to Salt Lake City for a couple months to do all my initial training. I'll be flying the CRJs. So I'm super excited, looking forward to it. A whole new adventure. So what that means for this channel is I'm not really sure right now. You know, the volume that I'll be posting here will probably decrease quite a bit because I obviously can't be filming in the cockpit of a Part 121 operation. But I'm not leaving Independence Aviation. I'm still going to be working part-time during my time off, during my days off, and I'll also be kind of shifting more to the marketing and content production for Independence. So even though I may not be on my channel, I still might be posting independent content on here. But if you don't see stuff on here, you can definitely check out content on our website and social media and YouTube page, or YouTube channel. I'll leave a link, all the links to our company's social media links and everything in the description below this video. That way you can keep track of maybe what I'm doing more along that lines, and maybe what I'm doing in the airline world. So yeah, this will probably be one of my last videos, maybe a couple more before I head off. I actually got a serious lifestyle video coming up here on this channel, maybe next year, so that'll probably be the last few videos I'll post before I head off to training. So yeah, so that's the news there. So I definitely want to still keep in touch with general aviation, and as you can see, you know, flying into Aspen is, you know, one of the coolest things, especially days like today where we got a little bit of IMC in the snow. I definitely don't want to get rid of this job completely because it is an absolutely awesome job. So I'm going to do anything I can to keep it.
Here's 5 Tango Alpha, contact number approach 126.55.
126.55, 5 Tango Alpha, good day.
Denver Center 9764 with
Unit number approach Sirius 315 Tango Alpha 17000, crossing Larks at 15.
Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, Denver approach, Denver number 3016, information Alpha's current at Centennial.
Alright, we'll get Alpha for you, 5 Tango Alpha.
Control aircraft, Station Bravo, current at Centennial, Denver altimeter 3016.
Run-up is complete. Remain on ground control frequency until advised.
Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, turn left, direct Centennial.
Alright, direct Centennial, 5 Tango Alpha. Direct Centennial, we're on nav. Scoreboard says it too, so we're looking good. Alright, we have Bravo. Coming down here. Nice solid 212 over the ground. So on the perspective plus, the new addition you get with that is you can actually load, among a lot of other things, is you can actually load up a visual approach here. So I'm going to load the visual to 17 left because that's what we were told. We can expect vectors for that. I want to turn the minimums off because I'm going to break it off and hand flat well above a minimum, any sort of minimum. So I'm going to load that up until we get ready to go on vectors. So the visual to 17 left feature will just basically draw a straight line out from the final approach course, or on the final approach course. It also creates a 3-degree glide path based off of a few points there. So it is advisory, and the airplane can fly that glide slope, but it's only advisory, it does not guarantee you train obstruction clearance. So even though you might have it.
November 5 Tango Alpha, descend and maintain 1000, contact approach 132.75. Have a good flight.
Alright, just going to maintain 11,000, 13275. Good day, 5 Tango Alpha. Afternoon approach, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha is out of 12 for 11.
Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, Denver approach, the number altimeter 3016, Bravo's current Centennial, expect vectors for the visual approach 17 left.
Alright, we have Bravo, and we'll expect the vectors for visual, 17 left, 5 Tango Alpha. Gorgeous view of the front range off the left there. You can see the hogs back for Ken Carroll Ranch. Long's Peak in the distance.
Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, due to multiple aircraft in the pattern for the parallel runway at Centennial, you can expect vectors to join the final north of the Cherry Creek Reservoir there. Turn left, heading of 360, descend and maintain 10,000.
360 down to 10,000, copy rest, 5 Tango Alpha.
Coming 297, turn left, heading of 320. Turn left, heading 320, 297.
So we're on our vectors now, so we can actually go ahead and activate vectors to final for the visual approach. That way my CDI sequences to that for the inbound course. Shows me a nice cross track. I'm 6.5 miles off course, so I can kind of get a situational awareness, spatially aware on that.
Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, turn right heading 030, descend and maintain 8,000.
030 down to 8,000, 5 Tango Alpha. Alright, that's the last vector we'll get before final, so now I definitely need to slow up quite a bit here.
Cap flight 548, radar contact over position is reported, maintain VFR, say destination.
Yes, ma'am. We will be conducting an exercise.
Work my mixture up a little bit, just start
outside class Bravo.
moving it up slowly.
Northeast of
Keep the engine cooling off at a nice even rate as opposed to, you know, throwing it full of rich, we'll just dump everything,
Roger,
so.
maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR, cap 548.
Nice view of downtown off the left side there in the sunlight. Gorgeous day. 5 Tango Alpha, we have the airport in sight whenever you need to give to us.
Here's 5 Tango Alpha, roger, turn right heading 080, square your turn to final, cleared visual approach to my 17 left, thanks for your help.
Yeah, no worries, 080 and square the turn to final, you 5 Tango Alpha, see ya.
Here's 5 Tango Alpha, contact tower now, 118.9er.
1189, 5 Tango Alpha, good night. Good evening, Centennial Tower, Sirius 315, Tango Alpha, visual 17 left.
Sirius 315, Tango Alpha, Centennial Tower, continuing at 17 left.
Continued, 5 Tango Alpha.
Evil 78, same intentions this time around?
A little fast, I'm going to throw the flaps out, I got below 150 knots, so.
Centennial Tower, Sirius 1830 Sierra Foxtrot, 7 miles to the north and west, information Bravo, full stop.
Sirius 1 Tango Alpha, correction 5 Tango Alpha, continue running 17 right in contact tower 123.7.
Okay, switching to 17 right and 23.7, 5 Tango Alpha.
704 Alpha Tango, turn left to Alpha 8.
And Tower Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, switching to 17 right.
Sirius 315 Tango Alpha, Centennial Tower, change to runway 17 right, runway 17 right, clear to land, wind 080 at 6.
17 right, clear to land, Sirius 315 Tango Alpha. Alright, make sure full rich, cruise phone.
And Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, when able, reduce the final approach speed following a Cessna, just starting the base turn here momentarily over top golf.
Yeah, working on it.
Extending upwind, 9 November Echo.
Cessna 5 Charlie Papa, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 5 Charlie Papa.
Cessna 5 Charlie Papa, correction, just make a left 360 at your current position.
Left 365 Charlie Papa.
Mooney 7 Charlie Papa, reduce the final approach speed.
Reduce the final approach speed to Charlie Pop.
Centennial Tower, Sirius 183 Sierra Foxtrot, has Bravo, full stop for 17 right.
Sirius 183 Sierra Foxtrot, Centennial Tower, make straight in, runway 17 right. Runway 17 right, traffic is I believe it's a Grumman on the North Shore Cherry Creek for the parallel.
Okay, straight in for 17 right, 30 Sierra Foxtrot.
Cessna 507, hold short on 17 left.
Hold short 17 left, Bravo, stay with you, 507.
Cessna 5 Charlie Papa, thanks for help. Reaching the downwind, extended downwind. I will call your base along the Sirius on the North Shore Cherry Creek.
Extend downwind, 5 Charlie Papa.
Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, turn left Bravo 12 and taxi north on Bravo with me.
2 left turns on to Bravo with you, 5 Tango Alpha.
Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, hold short on 17 left at Bravo 8.
Hold short of 17 left at Bravo 8, Sirius 5 Tango Alpha.
Sirius 30 Foxtrot, follow Cessna 1 mile final, runway 17 right, clear to land, wind 080
All on the Cessna, runway 17 right, clear to land, 30 Foxtrot.
Cessna 9 November Echo, cross 1 approved. Sirius 5 Tango Alpha, cross runway 17 left at Bravo 8 and contact ground point on the other side, we'll see you.
Crossing 17 left, ground on the other side, 5 Tango Alpha, see you later.
Sirius 30 Foxtrot, turn left at Bravo 12 and taxi north on Bravo, remain my frequency.
Left to Bravo 12 and north of Bravo with you, 30 Foxtrot.
Centennial ground, Sirius 315, Tango Alpha, clearing Alpha 8 to hotel.
Sirius 315, Tango Alpha, Centennial ground, cross up to the ramp.
Cross off the ramp, 5 Tango Alpha, see you. Alrighty guys, thanks for coming along. That was a fantastic flight. Nice and smooth for the most part. And a really cool, awesome green plane. Like I said, hopefully I'll get some videos up as much as I can. Maybe next summer or so they might start picking back up as I fly the Sirius a little more on my off time. Got some Sirius Life videos coming up hopefully at the end of January before I head off as well, so look out for those on this channel. Thanks for riding along with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.